Chief Pilot, Marine Lieutenant Colonel Peyton D. Hart, and his front seater is former Army Captain John Watts, who is one of our Apache pilots.
To the Trojan boys. Tom Richard and the P-40 Warhawk American Dream. Our aerobatic stick wiggler today is Tom Richard. When he's not performing in air shows, he owns and operates the world's only full-time T-6 Texan and P-40 Warhawk flight school, Warbird Adventures in South Carolina, where he and his crew will gladly teach you all aspects of warbird flying. Warbird Adventures also offers primary and aerobatic training in smaller tail. Second World War over to the Soviet Union. It was an incredibly capable fighter, despite not achieving the same amount of fame as its counterpart. The P-51, the P-40, and the P-63. The Mustang on the outside, the Warhawk in the middle, and the Aero Cobra. They're going to do that overhead brake.
Drift streamers, and they'll be doing that here in a few moments. Tell me about the pilot of this great airplane.
This is Steve Bevelheimer. He is one of our head training pilots. He's our chief pilot at JARS right now. He served in Cameroon and also in Indonesia. He and his family have been living here in the Waxhaw area for about 10 years, serving in this
aircraft. This aircraft actually has a heat air system in it, so if you've ever been sitting out on the runway right before you're taking off on a nice hot Oklahoma summer day, which I do a lot, you sweat profusely. And my airplane, which is actually a Cessna 337, smells like a gymnasium.
Little locker room, right?
Yeah, it smells like a gym locker room because of all the generations of aviators that have sat in there sweating.
Right.
This aircraft wouldn't have that problem.
Wow, that is amazing. Now this airplane has a parachute. A lot of people don't realize that it's a parachute. It's really a backup, so if you lose that engine and you're not over feel that you can very safely do a dead stick landing, the airplane can actually, if you ever seen one of those deploy, they're amazing. Plus it's an all-glass cockpit, it's a side stick, it's an amazing airplane to fly.
It really is. I have had the opportunity to fly pilot, and you're like, oh no, what do I do? Well, you push the button and the airplane will land itself. Might not be the prettiest, all on the same day. And months after became a flight instructor, ladies and gentlemen, here he is, Patrick McAlee and the Blue Demon. When he was 23, he received his A&P license. With aviation maintenance and technology degree, he was hired by Republic Airways 1 year later as a first officer. Patrick was upgraded to captain within 2 years in the Embraer 145 regional jet. In 2013, he became a captain in the Embraer 170, 175 regional jets and has been with Republic Airways for the past 19 years. As he pulls the Blue Demon back up into the skies, now he's going to point that nose down. The airspeed's coming up. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go.
Remember, they exited that aircraft at 120 miles an hour, and they are slowing to about 7 miles per hour as they approach.
12,000 horsepower.
Past and present. Tora, Tora, Tora. Special surprise for you, Harold.